Have you ever dreamed of putting a massive off-road machine under your Christmas tree? Well, what if we told you that Apocalypse Manufacturing, a Florida-based company known for its larger-than-life 6x6 creations, has crafted something so huge and rugged that it could easily fit under a 40-foot tree, if you're brave enough to park it there. Introducing the Apocalypse Alpha Raptor, the latest off-road rig that's part monster truck, part Christmas gift, and priced accordingly. Apocalypse Manufacturing isn't new to extreme vehicles. They've made quite a name for themselves by transforming some of the toughest off-road trucks into outlandish, futuristic machines. Their 6x6 vehicles are especially notorious, with wild names like Juggernaut, Darkhorse, and Warlord, vehicles designed for the apocalypse, ready to take on anything from hostile terrain to the end of the world itself. While these vehicles have mostly been based on models like the Jeep Gladiator, Ram 1500 TRX, and Ford Bronco, they've recently expanded their reach to more mainstream models, including the latest Ford F-150 Raptor R and Ram 1500 TRX. The Alpha Raptor is one of Apocalypse's latest creations, and it's not just an ordinary Ford F-150. With its refreshed 2024 look, the Alpha Raptor is equipped with a beastly 5.2-liter supercharged V8 engine that pumps out an incredible 720 horsepower and 640 lb-ft of torque. This means that whether you're barreling through desert dunes or conquering rocky mountain trails, this monster can do it all. But horsepower isn't the only thing that sets the Alpha Raptor apart. Apocalypse has fitted this truck with massive 40-inch all-terrain tires, gold-shaded aftermarket wheels, and a hefty lift kit. The rugged new steel bumpers, rock rails, and additional LED lights all add to the truck's menacing look, making it impossible to ignore wherever it goes. Now, let's talk about the price tag. If you're hoping to add this off-road beast to your garage, be prepared to shell out no less than $179,999. That's a hefty sum, but for those who have the cash, this vehicle is the ultimate expression of power, performance, and style. The Alpha Raptor isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. From its growling supercharged engine to the intimidating presence it commands, this truck is designed to stand out and deliver jaw-dropping performance in any environment. But what makes the Alpha Raptor so special? Aside from its insane power and off-road capabilities, it's the way Apocalypse Manufacturing has designed this vehicle to be both a functional powerhouse and a work of art. The Alpha Raptor's aggressive design is meant to capture attention, and it certainly doesn't disappoint. With its bold front end, custom body panels, and a cockpit built for both comfort and control, this truck makes a statement both on and off the road. And let's not forget the sheer thrill of driving it. The combination of raw power and precision engineering will leave any off-road enthusiast feeling like they're behind the wheel of something truly special. If you're wondering why anyone would want such a truck, well, it's clear that Apocalypse Manufacturing has a knack for creating vehicles that cater to those who demand the best of the best. These aren't just trucks, they're ultimate off-road machines built for those who love adventure and don't mind turning heads while doing it. And with the Alpha Raptor's eye-catching design and top-tier performance, it's perfect for those who want to be the king of the trail, the sand dunes, or even their neighborhood block. Now, as you can imagine, the Omega Rex, the Ram 1500 TRX variant of the same design, won't be around for much longer. The 2024 Ram 1500 TRX is set to be discontinued in favor of the less powerful Ram 1500 RHO in 2025, making the Omega Rex one of the last of its kind. But the Alpha Raptor is here to stay, and with Ford continuing to pump out performance-oriented F-150s, this off-road monster will remain relevant for years to come. So, whether you want to turn your holiday season into an off-road adventure or just dream about having one of the most extreme trucks on the planet, the Apocalypse Alpha Raptor is the vehicle you've been waiting for. Just make sure you have a big enough tree to fit it under.